Why would anyone in their right mind go from making money every single month, having payouts, collecting invoices, to this? The answer is simple. I wanted to build a coaching business a second time around the right way. But there are a few aspects of the experience that, in hindsight, I wanted to get right the next time. As you can see here, basically every month, right, it was averaging somewhere between like $11,000 to like, let's say $15,500. And so that's not anything to cough at. I think by most people's standards, that's a lot of money. But when you are working 50 to 40 hour weeks for that kind of money and is taking away from you rather than giving back to you, then something has to change. Really important that I move forward with that newfound principle, that priority of time, because it's so precious. It's been a wonderful, challenging, wild ride. The reason why I'm creating this video is because I want to document and track not only my sentiment, my emotional state, but also some of the tactical things that I am doing or implementing in real time in order to build the business up at each stage, at each level. And whatever bottlenecks or problems I might potentially face at that moment in time, I want to share those as well. Not only to inspire, but also as a form of accountability for myself. My game plan and my goal is to not sacrifice the one thing that is literally the only reason as an entrepreneur I keep going, and that's my family. If your priority is your clientele and the community and the lifetime value of your customer because you understand the priority of the relationship, then I want to invite you to follow along on my journey with one offer, one program, one primary platform,